All right. I got Savage Mark.II, Silencer Co. Sparrow. I'm gonna be comparing 4 rounds. So the first ones are stingers, 1,640 feet per second. Next one's the mini mags, which are 1,260 feet per second. And then the quiet 22s and the CB longs. They're both going the same feet per second, but the CBs are 29 grain and the quiets are 40 grain. So see how loud each one is. This one's definitely gonna have a supersonic crack. Yeah. So no report, but that crack is loud. Okay, that's the stingers. Next one's mini mag. So it's not as loud, but I mean it's still breaking the sound barrier. So that's mini mag. The next one is going to be quiet 22. No supersonic crack. You just hear the firing pin almost. That was quiet 22. And this is CB. Yeah, all you hear there is a firing pin.